Maharashtra government, the Indian government, so as to say, has also started a new year, they've started a new journey. What do you have to, you are a socially aware citizen of the country. What would you like to see, the kind of changes, or what do you have to say of the new government so far, what they've done, and how you would like to go?
I first like to request one thing. आप लोग शायद नहीं, because आप politically involved नहीं हैं, mostly showbiz में. Some of you must be covering that also. But to the media, I would say that don't jump the gun and start going first one side, wow, fantastic, and then 6 months later say not good, not, I think every government, every person who comes in power, whichever party it is, has been chosen by the country democratically. So they should be given a chance. A couple of years we should allow, I think everyone has good intentions, and being socially aware, not politically so aware, but nationally aware. I think education and women empowerment, if those are basic subjects. Of course, there is economy, there is finance, and there is development, and there is infrastructure. All that is too big for me to understand. But just on a general level, as a society, I think women empowerment, goodness, and education for children. And health is already starting, cleanliness is already starting. All these things are actually social aspects. If those can be done properly and we understand it, be educated about it, the rest of it too deep for me to talk about, but let's give it time, 2 years, and let them settle down and start the new year. And ekdam हमारा ऐसा है कि opening weekend क्या है is not important. I think it is important we allow the people in power to do what they have set their targets as. So far, fantastic. I think the country is chosen democratically, completely overwhelming majority. I think that itself is a big victory for the country. So there will be laws and bylaws which can be passed openly without having to worry about negotiating because they are in tangent with some other temple with some other government. So I think so far so good. They have clear majority, so there will be clearer laws and bylaws.